Unlock the secrets to seamlessly listing, managing, and fulfilling products using nationwide barcodes on Amazon. First things first, understanding the basics. If you're selling products that already have nationwide barcodes, that's a huge head start. These barcodes, usually EANs or UPCs, are your key to unlocking quick product listings in Amazon's vast marketplace. Go to Seller Central, your central hub. Navigate to your product inventory. Notice the Add a Product option. Perfect. When adding a new product, Amazon will prompt you for identifying details of the product, which will include a barcode field. This is where your nationwide barcode comes into play. Either type it in manually, or if you have a barcode scanner, this is the quickest route. Simply scan the product's barcode into the designated field. Enter product details. Follow the prompts. If the barcode is recognized and associated with an existing product on Amazon, great. You can select it and start listing your items. If not, and you're the first to list the product using that barcode, great. You may have to provide more information: title, description, images, just like you would for a product without a barcode. Amazon often checks barcodes to ensure they meet specific standards, so make sure those nationwide barcodes are properly printed and readable. They must be clear. Think about your product's packaging. Ensure the barcode is prominent and clear from the scanning point of view. FBA sellers, take note. If you're using Amazon's Fulfillment by Amazon (FBA) service, there might be special labeling requirements before sending products to an Amazon warehouse. You may need to apply Amazon-specific labels over the original barcodes, especially if the original barcode is on packaging that might be used for other items. Navigate to FBA Labeling and instructions in Seller Central to be clear on these specifics. It takes a little knowledge to ensure your product arrives at the correct destination. Now you're ready with your nationwide barcodes and ready to start selling. Remember, clear barcodes, accuracy in Seller Central, and awareness of FBA requirements make the barcodes your friend in the Amazon game.